Why does your scanner show the P3449 engine code? What does it mean? P3449 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 7, deactivation or intake valve control circuit, or open. This engine code indicates that this often means the engine's deactivation system, designed to improve fuel efficiency, has detected a problem with the electrical circuit for the deactivation solenoid on the 7th cylinder. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low oil level or pressure, faulty cylinder 7 deactivation solenoid, restricted oil passages, wiring issues, faulty VVT system. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.